In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a FigJam file. Start by opening your FigJam file in Figma. If you're on your recents or team dashboard, simply click the FigJam thumbnail to open it. Give the file a second to load so all the sharing options become available. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your canvas and the toolbar along the top of the screen. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you control how other people can access your board. Think of this as the command center for inviting collaborators or sending out a simple link. In the sharing panel, change the link access to anyone. Selecting this option means that anyone who has the link can open your FigJam file without needing to be added individually. This is useful for quick reviews, workshops, or sending a board to a broader audience. Keep in mind that link-based access is convenient but also more open, so use it for content you're comfortable sharing widely or temporarily. To add an extra layer of protection, turn on password security and set a strong password. Choose something unique and hard to guess, mixing words or phrases that make sense to you but not to others. This way, even if the link is forwarded, only people with the password can view the board. Share the password through a secure channel, separate from the link so both don't travel together. This small step helps keep your content safer, especially for client work, internal planning, or anything that isn't meant to be public. When you're ready to distribute your board, click Copy Link. This places the shareable link on your clipboard so you can paste it into a message, email, or calendar invite. If you enabled password protection, the recipient will be prompted to enter the password before they can access the file. Be sure to send that password to them directly and double check that they can open the board without issues. That's the whole process. Open your FigJam file, use the share button, set link access to anyone for easy viewing, add password security for an extra safeguard, and copy the link to share it wherever you need. With these settings, you can move quickly while still keeping control over who sees your work. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to share your FigJam file confidently.